Finally, China has come with one of the best top frontier OR model there. Basically, it competes with the top LLM models like FABlE as well as GPT Soul. Its name is Kimi 3, launched by Moonshot AI. And basically, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring regularly AI related updates on my channel. So let's dive into it. Some of the peoples on X has been built various types of cool, exciting stuff using this Kimi, and Kimi has officially also launched their intro video where they have published a game related to cowboy. Basically, you can see the output of this Kimi. It is completely insane, which can build any type of video games existing today, and just by a prompt you can build your own custom websites, applications, animations with a mathematical logic, and a website with a custom animations, which earlier it used to take a huge amount of time. On X, some has a person has developed a game with a type of Spider-Man as well as a casual or like a game with visual effects, and it can build a type of shader effects like custom shader effects as well as VFX, and with the custom animations. Here you can see the output of this, which is completely insane. You can see that how this entire the logic as well as the buildings and the environment as well as the character, I cannot say the character but the environment as well as the logic was built using this Kimi K3, which is completely insane. And this model is just, I will show you the benchmark and the ranking of this model and a comparison with the top LLM models over there from USA. You can see that Kimi K3 output as well as the Opus 4.8, where Opus 4.8 lags to generate this type of high quality with the custom effects, shaders, and as well as the texture. This model was capable to achieve it. Some person has built this type of game, which is a type of 2D and 3D interaction between the sprites as well as 360-degree with all 16 type angles. Like a sprite was built using this, and the environment was actually 3D. And here you can see this type of generator like a V8 engine was built using this Kimi K3 in a blender using blender MCP, and with the interaction of the physics, how the actually this works, like a piston or movement and rotating, and with the actual interaction with the physics as well as the simulation. And you can see the detailing of this is also completely insane, and the accuracy is also accurate. It was capable to achieve this piano 3D model just by a blender MCP, and it was created in blender. And the output, you can see it is pretty realistic, and it can easily detach into segments, and which is completely insane. If we talk about this, it was able to achieve a Mac OS UI just by a single text prompt. It was capable to achieve the UI like Mac OS, how the interaction works, how the file explorer and all the stuff works in the Mac. Actually, the UI, you can easily build an operating system like Mac OS with a custom UI structure like Mac OS, and you can easily interact with this. You can see how it was able to achieve this graphical structure with a node like structure interaction, and as well as the terminal all are accurate, like providing the UI like a Mac OS, how the user interface of Mac OS is exist. It was capable to achieve similar to it with the various types of file explorer and various types of features which provided back Mac. And if we talk about this, the benchmark, if you compare this with all other existing model up to today like Kimi K3 GPT 5.5, Cloudy, Opus 4.8, and FABlE, this model approx rank just behind them, the top frontier one models there. It is just behind like a FABlE 5 as well as GPT 5. Soul or 5.6 Soul, as well as their latest models like Terra as well as the Luna. It's just ranked behind it, and it beats the, you can see the benchmark. Kimi K3 is performing pretty well in online experience benchmark and tech benchmark and finance benchmark, and it is beats the GLM 5.2 which was from ZAI. You can see actually the benchmark like FABlE 5 ranks at top, second is GPT 5.6 Soul, and then Kimi K3 and 4.8 Opus, and GLM 5.2 and GPT 5.5. This is a ranking across all the benchmark. And if we talk about the architecture, they have published this type of architecture, dependent on, they have defined their own architecture with a mixture of expert also they have used. You should read about the research paper about this Kimi K3. It is a completely open source model. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you can get latest updates regarding my videos. Bye bye.